Hello, everyone. Good evening. Namaskar. Suswagatam at the Perky podcast of Positive Day newspaper, a venture by Nia Creation. I am Subhi Gupta, your host for the podcast. Today, we have with us a bright and a perky rock star actress from the Gujarati cinema who, with her charisma, has won the Best Actress award. She debuted herself at the age of 4 as a child actor, and now she has won the hearts of millions of people from doing the movies like Love Me Bhavani, Chal Jeevi Laiye, and Montu Ni Bittu. Being pleasantly nervous, it's my honor and pleasure to call upon the Miss Perky herself, the energetic, the charismatic Miss Arohi Patel. Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
How are you doing? How are you feeling, ma'am?
I am doing good. It feels great to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, tell us about your journey. How did it begin? How did you choose on coming on screen?
So what happened was, basically my family has been in this industry since ages now. All the generations of my family has been connected to theater or films.
Right.
And so it came naturally to me. For me, my playground was a shooting set or a dubbing studio or an editing studio. So
Wow.
it always came naturally to me. And I was always very sure of you know uh, doing something for the films, but I was never planning on becoming an actor. It was always a production or direction for me. And I was I took commerce because I wanted to be a producer. So I
Oh,
took commerce for that. I did
right.
BCom for that. And when I was in my third year. And so yeah, obviously I was working as a child actor because of my father. So my father had a few, whenever he wanted a child actor on his set, it was always me. So yeah, but then I never took it seriously until TY third year in BCom,
Okay.
when Vijay Bava, a director of my first film Premji, so he saw my pictures on Facebook and he was looking out for a really young and very raw looking girl for his film. And he just saw my pictures and he was like, I think that you might be the perfect cast for it. And I just said that, what, I really don't know how to act. I've never acted. It's just college competition, cultural fests, and youth festivals for me, and that's it. That's about it. And I have no experience in it. And he was like, I think you can do it because I really have faith in your parents' genes. And that's how he convinced me, and I was on board. And the script was really nice. I really loved the script of Premji. It really needed guts to be made. It was a
Right.
very bold film, and I wanted to be a part of it. So I was like, okay, it'll be just a vacation period for me from college. So it'll be
I'm sure.
12-day tour, 12-day tour to Kutch, and just shooting and everything. So
Yes.
I just like, okay, let's do it, and that's how it began.
Okay. So now you must be having like bundles of roles and characters and offers. So what do you look before you sign into a new film? What do you look ahead?
Um, first I would look at the script because that's really important. The script as a whole, not just my character, because that
Oh,
is something that people tells you to do that. That you
okay.
must just look how the character is. Just look how this is and
Mhm.
that is. But I really
Mhm.
believe that if the script as a whole is nice,
Right.
then comes the character part. Then comes the part where you're like, okay, the script is really good, and it would be exciting to be part of this kind of script. And now I will look into the character, and now I will see if the character is good enough as well. So
Wonderful.
yeah, script as a whole really plays a huge part. If it's a good script and a good production house and a good director, the film will definitely turn out to be a hit.
Yes.
So yeah.
So, whenever you go for a shoot, like are there some points or something you remind yourself or you think about before you start shooting?
No, not really. I don't think much before going on the set, or I don't think anything apart from my lines and my if there's some scene which needs some kind of emotion, then that's the zone that I will be in. But that also just before the scene begins, not before that. I would not think about anything at that point. I'll just go as a clean
Right.
slate.
Oh,
I don't think you should go with a burden of of any scene or of the character or anything.
okay, great. So, usually, especially in this recent movies, your character has been all lovely, bubbly, peppy. So, like, are you actually that in your real life as well?
I don't know. I mean, well, if you say that if I'm very happy and lively, so yeah, I am. So obviously that is the kind of person I am. But then the characters that I've played have had a very different shades into them, and very they are very different than me. So if there's Antara from Lavni Bhavai or Bittu from Montoni Bittu, they're very different from the kind of person that I am. But yeah, as the whole package, if you see, then
Right.
yeah, I am very lively and very, but then that too, with the people that I know, with the
Oh,
people that I don't know, I'm very shy.
really?
Yeah, I'm very shy. I don't know what to say. I don't know. I cannot do small talks. I suck at small talks. So so it's really difficult for me to just just be out there. It's not possible for me.
Okay, okay. And your super hit movie, Lovely Bhavai, where
Hmm.
your mother was a producer and your
Yeah,
father was a director. So,
director.
were
Yes.
you the obvious choice for the lead role?
See, that's a very interesting question. So basically, my father had a lot of people in his mind, and
Okay,
my mother never really, she's never there during the casting part. I mean, she never, she leaves it to my father,
okay,
and so what happened was when my father was narrating the script to Vijay Giri Baba, my first director.
director. Yeah.
So Vijay Baba and my father, they're like very close. I mean, he has worked with my father years back, and he also considers my father as a guru and everything. And my
Right,
father considers him as his son. So
right.
my father was narrating the story, and he was the one who said that, you know what, this character Aroy will do it very nicely. You must
Oh,
consider. And very honestly, I never wanted to be a part of it. I just wanted to assist my father and wanted to be behind the camera, and that was the plan initially.
okay.
But there was this huge fight with me and my father, that he was like, everybody's saying that you must do it. I don't know how you will do it, but then everybody is just saying this to me, then I think you must consider. And I'm like, but I want to do behind the camera things. I love working behind the camera. But and then he was like, you know what, do whatever you want, but I just want this to happen, because I am coming back as a director after 12 years. If you want to support me, then just do this. And I was like, okay, fine, fine, okay, I'll support you.
Nobody can be spared from the emotional blackmailing
I know,
by the
I know.
parents. You are bound to be trapped in that,
Exactly.
Maya jal of the emotional blackmailing.
So that is how it happened. But he was like, you will have to prove yourself first, and
Yeah.
I don't know how you'll do it. And then during the rehearsals and workshops and everything, and then he was like, yeah, okay, now I'm confident that you can do it. Vaisa. But then Vijay Giri Baba had huge confidence in me. So he was the one who, who always pushes me to work and everything. So he was the one who told my father that she'll be able to do it. I never knew if I'll be able to do it or not. But
Wow.
then whatever happens, happens for good. So yeah,
Right,
worked out.
right, right. Perfectly, perfectly. So now, in the process while you're working with your parents, how do you bifurcate your personal and your professional feelings?
Um. Our family has seen this since ages now. So I guess it's very common conversation between us, so it's like just normal. I mean, if I am offered a film or something, then I will just mention it to them. I won't let them tell me if anything, if there's anything that I should do or anything. I won't tell them. We'll just keep it dur dur thoda sa, because what happens is that if you start advising, if I start advising them, if they start advising me, then it will be very chaotic. I mean,
Right.
if there are certain things which I find okay and they don't, and if there are certain things that they find okay and I don't,
Right.
so we it's an understanding that we'll just keep it a very normal routine conversation, just let it be.
Give your own space.
Yeah. And also, my all my friends, my closest friends, are the people who has nothing to do with the industry. So that is also how my professional and personal life are completely different.
Right.
Yeah,
But what about the point, like, in Lavni Bhavai, your parents were in your profession,
yeah.
and your parents were also your personal life. Then what kind
Correct.
of,
So it's apart from like 2 3 instances where my father becomes my father on the set, but apart from that, I don't think we think of each other that ways when we are on the set, because everybody has different jobs. I mean, mama is always into her production thing and everything,
hmm,
so he's always into her thing. My father is always directing, so he will not consider anything while he's directing. So he
oh,
will not see anything. He'll just be so focused when he's directing. So he won't, you know, come and tell me something else like a father or anything. He'll just, let me be, and I'm just in my own zone and everything. So it's very comforting, and it's very normal, thankfully.
oh, wow, great.
Yeah.
Arohi, would you like to let us know, like, what is the importance of regional films when you do the films in the regional languages?
Mhm. Um, the most important thing that I find for regional cinema is that people who are from that particular region, so they find a huge connect.
Uh,
I mean, you cannot go and find Gujarati stories, Gujarati
right,
emotion if you
right,
are watching a Hindi film or some other cinema.
right,
But when you are Gujarati and when you watch a Gujarati film, you'll be like,
right.
oh, this is something that I would do. This is something that
Uh,
is happening around me. So
right.
that connect is something which is so beautiful when you watch a regional cinema.
Right, sure, I'm sure. Okay, Arohi, we also play a sweet little game here. The name is
Okay.
Rapid Fire. As the name suggests, I'll be giving you some questions, and whatever comes to your mind first is my answer for the podcast.
Yeah. No.
Okay, so
Yes.
are you ready? Let's begin with the
Yes.
TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Okay, so it has to be really quick. Whatever comes to
Done.
your mind, right, wrong, it's okay. We all are chill here and positive here.
Done. I'm sure. Yes.
Okay,
Done.
let's begin. Arohi, your
Hmm.
favorite movie?
Queen.
Okay, great. If not an actor, what you would be?
I guess
TikTok, TikTok, TikTok.
I would be working with CID or something.
Ah, nice.
I love spying and I love stalking, so something related to that.
All right, right, right. Okay, one actor you loved working with.
Siddharth Randeria.
Oh, great. Okay, what were you like in high school?
I was always a Nautanki, and
I'm sure.
yeah, I guess Nautanki and also a ranker.
Really? Wow. Uh-huh. A full package. Okay,
Yes,
what is passion for Arohi?
comfort.
Great. Okay, if you were a food, which dish you would be?
I would be uh, I would be Maggie.
Oh, okay. Okay. And what do you think happened to Cinderella after she got married to her Prince Charming?
What happened to Cinderella? I would like to believe that she's happy, but then if I see the scenario, I mean, she would be just thinking that oh shit, I did not, I did not get the time to know the person actually. So, oh shit, first guy.
Oh my God, Fusk. I think that's an Indian Cinderella.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Your source of inspiration.
My mother.
Okay. The secret ingredient of your energy.
Black coffee and my friends.
Good. Okay. And sweet, spicy, or both? Your food choice.
Has to be spicy.
Okay, great. Arohi, it's now time for a silly riddle. Let's see if you could answer me that. Okay.
Okay.
Why can't a Gujju boy ever flirt with a girl?
Because because they tend to find their mothers in a girl. I don't know.
Oh, no, because all of his conversations begin with Ben Samro to Sara.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Arohi. It was fun playing the
Thank
game
you
with
so
you. And any future plans do you have, or you're looking forward to work in Bollywood?
No, no, not really. I am really focusing on Gujarati cinema right now because I really have a dream to take it forward, take the industry forward, and there's
Yes.
a lot right now. So,
Okay. And one message that you would like to give our readers and listeners of the Positive Day newspaper.
just that stay positive and keep reading Positive Day newspaper because it's very rare that you just get to read very positive and good news, and it's very needed right now in this day and age. It's super needed to read something positive. I mean, I can still I mean. I still remember the lockdown days when there were just bad news everywhere, and just one good post on Instagram made my day, and I was like, oh, thank God, something good is also happening. So
Right.
I understand the power of positive news, and how it makes a day positive. So keep reading.
Okay, thank you so much, Arohi. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
your
much. This
lovely
was
time, for your lovely smile, and gracing us with your enthusiasm and energy. My day is all filled with lots of, josh and energy, and I'm sure it's going to be amazing for you as well. Thank you,
thank
everybody present here with us, listening to us, reading to us. Follow us on Instagram and on YouTube channel, and we would love to hear from you. Thank you, thank you, thank
thank you
you.
so much. Thank you for having me.